Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by resetting your internal cues. Get sunlight or a 5,00010,000 lux lamp within 5 minutes of noticing drowsiness. Once exposed, drink 250 to 500 ml of water to boost circulation and avoid sugary drinks that crash you later. Next, move. Stand up and do 15 to 20 minutes of brisk walking or dynamic stretches. This raises heart rate and body temperature, which directly counteracts sleep drive. Make sure to keep lights bright and maintain upright posture to signal wakefulness to your brain. You now tackle the core work of removing the afternoon slump by increasing cognitive engagement. Choose 20 to 30-minute high-focus tasks that demand attention because active tasks suppress napping urges. Once done, use 75 to 150 mg caffeine strategically. Timing matters. Avoid caffeine within 3 to 4 hours of your intended bedtime. Also alternate short activity breaks, 10 minutes of walking or light exercise between focus blocks, to reset blood flow and neurotransmitters, which helps the alertness stick without a later. You finish by stabilizing alertness and planning for tomorrow. In the last phase, switch to lower stress routine tasks 60 to 90 minutes before evening so you don't sabotage night sleep. If the slump persists despite earlier steps, take a controlled 10 to 20-minute nap and make it before 3 p.m. to avoid insomnia. If problems continue, track your sleep time, caffeine intake, and meal timing for 3 days to find patterns. Troubleshooting tip: if nighttime sleep suffers, reduce or shift caffeine earlier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.